Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Flavor Foodie and I'm Mike G. Today I'll be making my roasted turkey wing recipe for you, so let's get started. And guys, thanks for visiting my channel. I've already washed the turkey wings, guys. So I'm gonna put slits in each one of the turkey wings. I got about 4 pounds of female turkey wings. They're much smaller than the larger ones. The larger ones are the male turkey wings. I'll season them with a little bit of rosemary, sage, a little bit of garlic. I'm going to also put some flat leaf parsley in here along with some other seasonings. I'll put that down below in the subscription box for you, the whole recipe. This is a very delicious dish, guys. This dish could be served as a finger food. This dish can also be served at a family dinner. Or even if you own a catering business, you can serve the smaller wings as an appetizer. They're very delicious with this particular recipe. It'll go very well. As a matter of fact, it'll be one of the first things to go. As you can see, I'm seasoning up right now the turkey wings with all of these delicious fresh herbs that's going to really permeate the turkey wings very well. I'm using an avocado oil along with a little bit of Worcestershire. Well, I'm going to use a whole cup of Worcestershire. That's the key ingredients that's going to be the game changer. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes, but for best results, I would do it overnight. That's the way to go with these turkey wings. Let them marinate in those juices and liquids along with those fresh herbs. And you don't have to have fresh herbs. You can use actually dry herbs. All right, y'all. I'm washing the sweet baby peppers. These peppers will be used for the turkey wings to sit on as they cook. I'm using some sweet baby peppers to make it as a base for the turkey wings to sit on as they cook. I'm going to season them up very well. Again, guys, I'll leave the full recipe down in the subscription box below. If you notice, guys, I didn't add any water or broth to this dish because the turkey wings along with the sweet peppers will make their own broth. You don't even have to do that. You'll see. All right, y'all, make sure you put some slits in your tray so you can release some of the steam in the pan. Actually, I preheated the oven to 380 degrees for 1 hour. I'll set the timer for about 1 hour, and that will give us the uncovering of it for about additional 15 to 20 minutes. And that's when we'll go into the roasting process. So we'll roast the top and the bottom, and it'll be very delicious. It'll be paper thin skin, and it's all the way live. It's a big game changer. You'll love the taste that these turkey wings give with all of those fresh herbs and all of those vegetables. I could use carrots, but I use carrots for more of my traditional turkey wings with the gravy and all of that. That's not what I'm trying to make here. What I'm making here is a recipe that I've been using for over 10 years and also have served it at banquets for different functions, and it went over very well. Matter of fact, it was one of the first things that went, and we had some awesome food at some of these catering. Anyway, I'll take the drippings from the pan, and we'll use that with a little bit of cornstarch and water. And we'll mix that up and we'll make ourselves a nice broth. I had some 2-day-old rice, jasmine rice, that I'm gonna mix that all with, and I'm gonna let that be the base. That looks pretty good to me. We're gonna plate this all up. I'll be right back. So we took the drippings from the pan and we blended together with a little bit of water and cornstarch and strained it and got a rich golden gravy. This is double delicious, tantalizing, appetizing to the eye, and make no mistake about it, it is so tasty and succulent. This is so juicy and moist. What an easy recipe to make. For you and your family, you will enjoy this recipe. Roasted turkey wings, Flavor Foodie style. that rich gravy that we blend together with those sweet peppers. It wasn't bland, it wasn't over salted, it was tasty, and you could taste the enrichment of all of those vegetables and herbs blended together in concert. Very delicious. Don't forget to try this recipe, guys. I love you guys. It's Flavor Foodie. I'm Mike G, and I'll see you on the next recipe. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe, because when you like, it allows me to continue to create more content for those who are interested in the recipes.